In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Microsoft Teams. Let's jump right in, get your workspace organized. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and heading over to your team list so you can see everything you're working with. Now, look at the left app bar and click on Chat. This is where all your conversations and channels live together in one place. Take a quick moment to confirm that the Chats and Channels list is visible on the left side of Teams. If you can see it, you're ready to start a new channel. Click New Items, which sits just above the list of chats and channels. A small drop-down will appear, and from that drop-down, select New Channel. Next, click the Select a Team field. Choose the team you've already prepared for this. In my case, the team is called Product Launch Hub, so I'll pick that one. Now it's time to name and create the channel. Click the Channel Name field at the top. Type in the name you want for your channel. I'll type Research, since that's what mine is for. After that, click the description field just below. Here, type a short description that explains the purpose of the channel. I'll type, a place to collect research notes, source links, and launch decisions. Move down to the channel type section and select Standard. This makes the channel open to everyone on the team. Once that's set, click Create in the lower right corner of the channel window. Give Teams a moment to finish setting things up and open the new channel for you. Now let's add a first post to make the channel feel ready to use. At the top of the new channel, click the Posts tab if it isn't already open. Inside the Posts tab, click Start a Post or Start a New Post depending on what your version shows. Type your first channel message. I'll type, use this channel for research notes, source links, and launch decisions. When you're done typing, click Post. If Teams shows you a threaded layout composer instead, click Send. You'll now see the Research channel appear under Product Launch Hub as a standard Teams channel. The channel has a first post explaining what belongs there, so teammates can immediately use it for research notes, source links, and launch decisions. Congratulations! You've successfully created a brand new channel in Microsoft Teams.